Hi, my name's Elisa Lopez. I'm with Team Naturaleza, and today I'm going snowshoeing. Did you know that you can borrow snowshoes from North Central Washington Libraries? Go onto their website and search for snowshoes. Then refine your search to STEM Kit. There, you can choose to borrow adult or youth-sized snowshoes. You will need a library card. When you receive your snowshoes, you'll notice that they have a traction side with sharp metal. To make sure that this side keeps its traction, only use snowshoes on the snow and not on cement. To put on your snowshoes, first make sure that your straps are all undone and that the metal D-shaped clips are on the inside of your foot. That lets you know which one is left and which one is right. Place your foot on the snowshoe and leave some room between your toes and the snowshoe. When you strap on your snowshoe, make sure that it is snug but not too tight. The back strap will go on last. You might want to ask a friend for help with this part. Most snowshoeing trails will already have a path for you to follow, but if there isn't one there already, you'll be glad to have snowshoes on. Snowshoes allow you to walk above the snow without sinking in too much. I will demonstrate. I'm going to walk with only one snowshoe on to show you the difference between a small shoe and a large snowshoe. With the snowshoe, my foot sinks in about 3 inches, but without a snowshoe, my foot sinks in about 5 to 6 inches. Menos hondo aquí y más hondo acá. Visit North Central Washington Libraries and have fun snowshoeing.